Hey there, Dr. Chris Cooper here with Cascade Chiropractic and Wellness. We're here with Sam today. We're going to be working on some neck and back stiffness and tightness. If you want to lie face down for me, Sam. All right. Sam just got out of a massage. Her muscles feel so nice right now. Nice and soft. Not a lot of extra tightness. What I'm feeling mostly is in this upper back, a little bit down low, especially on the right side. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's start up here. Right through here. So take a big breath in for me, Sam. Big breath out. Very good. Let's do one more. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good job. All right, let's have you lay on your side with right side up in the air for me, please. Alex, if you want to stand right there for me. Right there for me, please. Thanks. Rock this back. We're going to rock the hip forward. Very good. Okay, roll face that way for me, please. I'll fold you up and scoot you like this. Let that rock back. Very good. All right, lay on your back for me, please. All right, so quite a bit on that upper left C1, C2 area. Maybe just the tiniest bit down here. Are you feeling anything down low?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, let's start over here. Kind of let the head relax, rock right through that. One more. Right in here. Let the head relax. Very nice. Very nice. How are the hips, knees, and ankles today?
I'd love you for you to check the hips.
Okay, let's check hips. So Sam has run before, did the Hood to Coast last year. So we work on hips, knees, and ankles every once in a while. A little bit through there. Pinchy. So we're going to use this drop table to push through the hip capsule. Right in there. Smoother. Does it pinch at all?
Still,
Like
yeah,
there?
right in there, yeah.
Okay. Good. Still feel a little something. What do you feel like right there? Anything?
I do, yeah, and then still a little farther into it.
As we get on that part. So the thing when treating hips is it's a 360-degree situation since it's the ball and sockets type joint. You might need multiple angles to fully get a hip to free up like that. A little bit on the ankle today. Good. Good. How's this hip doing? Similar?
I'm not sure.
Not too bad. I feel a little something kind of like right in there.
Yeah.
That feels a lot smoother.
Yeah, feels good.
Not too bad on this foot. There you go. And get those big toes moving again. Okay, have a seat up here with me, please. How you feeling?
Good. Yeah. Yeah.
Good. Well, thanks for letting us film. We'll see you next time.